Okay, so today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make tutorials. So this is for one of the members of my favorite famous royal family, all the way over in England. Not the Queen, even cooler. You know who you are, just saying. So they want to know how to make a tutorial on how to reset the phone and then install it using iCloud. So, when you're working with a tutorial on your phone, the best thing to do is record it and then put it on the screen. So, there's a few ways to do that. You can get a cord and an adapter adapter, because of course the new MacBooks don't have any fucking ports. Then upload all that through QuickTime, yada yada yada. Work, lots and lots of work. Or what I can do is I can screen grab it on my phone and then send it to my computer, and then I can edit it in, which is so much easier. So I have gone ahead and recorded my screen grab, and it's really confusing because I'm working on my phone and my computer and it's doing shit when I'm watching the video, and I get really confused that it's actually video. So enough of rambling. I'm just going to airdrop it over to my computer, and it's waiting. I wonder if it won't send while I'm recording. There's a possibility. Or it could be because it's raining. Or it could be just fucking up because I'm needing it to not fuck up. I'm gonna go with that one. Okay, so you can send it, but as soon as I hit stop thinking that's what it was, it popped up. So the ultimate mindfuck, chill bro, chill, we just went out. The ultimate mindfuck is having a video saved of a screen share on your computer while it's popped up on the video, then on your phone watching a video of just your normal background on your phone, and then putting that on because it starts moving on its own and you're like, what the fuck's happening? Also, this webcam, like the auto focus keeps fucking up and it's irritating me. So, well, it's also irritating me that you can see 100 fucking circles on my glasses. I guess you're not meant to wear glasses on camera. So, it's windy in here. Okay, so I airdropped to my computer and downloads. Now I'm just gonna pull this here. Don't need any of that. Then I can open this up. Now I'm just gonna move some things around so you don't see certain things on my background. Okay, so now I don't know why. I guess I was trying to rename it. Okay, so what you can do is record over what you're doing, which are you gonna fast forward to here. Okay, so how to record the tutorial on your phone. So you go in to your settings and you're gonna scroll. Wait, I got a better idea. Back it up. Let's see, I got my highlighter app. Okay, so this first part I was redoing. So I remember I went way too fucking fast and you're gonna want to go slower. So what you do here is you go down to your drop screen, and that's what's going to show you. But first you're going to open up and you're going to go down to your control center. Then you're going to make sure that the screen recording is on your control center, but it's not gonna be if you don't have it. So it's gonna be down there. You're gonna click it. Now it's back up here again. Then all you have to do is pull down your phone, click that, and do that. And now you can view anything on your phone. So then you can go on and then pull down and stop when you're done. So you can show anybody anything on your phone. Now, a tip to any tutorial is make sure that you're slowing down, because I went through that way too fucking fast and you probably have no idea what I said. So, any questions, please like, comment, share below. Maybe I'll make a better one if you guys really need it, want it. Let me know. I do whatever other tutorials, other fun stuff. Feel free. It also helps if you have a little highlighter application. This is a super easy free download. I literally use highlighter app, and you can change this, but this is a great way to see where you're clicking. So now you can, once you have that set, you can just drop down and record anything on your screen just from the drop down menu, which is pretty cool. So I hopefully this video helps and gets to the person it needs to get to. Shout out to anybody in the UK, and please like, share, comment, click below. Thank you guys. I'm already back, and I figured it's gonna take 1 minute to fix this fuck up. So here's the edit to the video. This is gonna require a little bit more editing in iMovie. Puppy. Show him on camera, and he's like, I'm not even barking, I'm not whining, you can't hear me. Okay, so now this is what your screen is going to look like. Then you're gonna want to go to your settings. Then you scroll down and then you're gonna click the control center. Once you're in the control center, scroll down again until you find the screen recording and hit the plus button. Then when you scroll back up, you will see it up in your included controls. Then you can go back to your screen. You can flip down the menu and you see the little record button here, and you just click that and it starts recording, and you have full access to anything on your phone. And then you click that button again and it stops recording. Super simple. Hopefully this one actually helps. Now you can like, comment, click, subscribe,